USCIS, Adverse Information RFEs, Full Detailed Analysis. What's happening? Recently, USCIS, U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, has started sending out requests for evidence, RFEs, to some people applying for H-1B visas and employment-based green cards. In these RFEs, USCIS claims there is potentially adverse information about the applicant or the employer, but they are not telling exactly what that adverse information is. They are also asking for updated residential addresses so that applicants can be scheduled for biometric appointments, fingerprints, photo, background check. Why this is a big deal? No specifics provided. The RFEs just say there's some negative information, but they don't explain what it is or where it came from. Due process violation. By U.S. law, if the government has negative information about someone, they are supposed to share it and give a chance to respond. Many immigration attorneys are saying USCIS is violating due process by hiding details. Unusual biometric requests. Biometric checks are normal for green cards, but not normally done for H-1B petitions. Now they are asking H-1B applicants too, raising suspicion that USCIS is trying to build a background investigation quietly. Possibility of AI errors. Experts believe AI tools or automated systems might be screening applications and randomly flagging risk cases, leading to these confusing RFEs. Main risks for H-1B applicants. Delay. Applicants will now face delays because they have to attend biometric appointments and wait for checks to clear. Risk of denial. If USCIS thinks the adverse information is serious even without proof, it could use it to deny a visa. Fear in the community. Many H-1B workers are now scared, especially if they change jobs frequently, worked with smaller consultancies, or have even minor immigration history issues. Examples of what adverse information could mean, USCIS hasn't clarified, but based on attorney experiences it might mean history of working at companies flagged for fake jobs or benching practices, minor criminal records, even dismissed or sealed. Resume inconsistencies. For example, small errors between resumes submitted to USCIS versus LinkedIn profile. Previous visa overstays, social media, or online information conflicting with visa filings. How attorneys are responding. Practice alerts. The American Immigration Lawyers Association, AILA, has issued an urgent practice alert advising attorneys to prepare clients. Recommendation. Hire an attorney immediately if you receive such an RFE. Do not ignore biometric appointment requests. Document everything carefully. Employment history, address history, etc. Immediate action plan for affected individuals. Consult a trusted immigration lawyer immediately. Prepare full documentation, job letters, client letters, pay stubs, past visa filings, address history. Get ready for biometrics. Fingerprint appointment is mandatory. Respond on time. Missing the RFE deadline can result in automatic denial. Summary: USCIS has introduced a new, unclear, and stricter review process for H-1B and green card applicants. Even small mistakes or old records might cause delays, biometrics requests, and risks of denial. Transparency is missing, automation might be causing errors, and attorneys are warning all applicants to stay alert. 10-point survival checklist for USCIS. Adverse Information RFEs 2025. 1. Hire a good immigration attorney. If you get any RFE mentioning potentially adverse information, immediately consult a qualified immigration lawyer. Don't try to respond yourself. 2. Gather all employment documents, latest and past offer letters, client letters, if you work for a client, pay stubs, at least last 6 months, LCA, labor condition application, copies, 1B approval notices, I-797. 3. Collect immigration history copies of all visas, I-94S passport stamps. Copy of previous petitions filed with USCIS. 4. Document address history. USCIS may ask for residential history for biometrics. Prepare your full list of addresses you lived at in the U.S. 5. Audit your social media and online presence. Make sure your LinkedIn, Facebook, and other social media match your visa filings. Clean up anything suspicious. Example: wrong employment dates or fake-looking profiles. 6. Be honest and transparent. If there were any minor issues like past visa gap, short-term unemployment, discuss them openly with your attorney now. 7. Prepare for biometrics. USCIS may call you for fingerprinting and photo even if you're already in the U.S. Keep your passport and previous immigration documents ready for the appointment. 8. Respond to the RFE on time. RFEs typically give 60 days. Do not miss the deadline, otherwise USCIS can automatically deny your application. 9. Keep backup evidence ready letters from old employers. Pay history, previous job description details, any certifications or awards. 10. Stay calm and informed. Not every adverse info RFE leads to denial. Stay calm, professional, and organized. That's how you'll win.